What's going on, guys? David Falla here. Welcome to my channel. Super happy to have you all here because I received a new package from Babyliss and I cannot wait to show you what they have sent me. So today we're going to be talking about the new clipper, trimmer, and shaver from Babyliss in all the new colorways, which I know you guys are going to love. So this is a new clipper from Babyliss. It also comes in green and it also comes in red. I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says on the back because this is the important things that Babyliss want us to know about this clipper. So for me, what's a game changer is the battery system. So what you do, you press this button right here, the battery comes out, the battery will let you know how much charge do you have. So when it starts dying out, then less of these lights will turn on. You have 4, so pretty much it's 25% each light, which is awesome, lets you know. And when it's like almost dying, it's gonna turn red instead of the blue. And this is great because you can use the same battery in all the tools. This clipper has a black titanium metal injection molded MIM fade blade. It has a built-in oil reservoir for constant lubrication. It has a lower blade temperature and zero gap adjustable. This honestly is the best blade I have ever used on any clipper. The way it just feathers the hair, the way it cuts is just incredible. And honestly, if you haven't used it, you have to use it so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This clipper has an N1 brushless motor, has a dual ball bearing for more efficiency, 6,800 RPMs and 13,600 strokes per minute, and it has a long lasting life. It's very powerful, it's great to remove the bulk, and it's also great for fading, especially for fading. It's just incredible for fading, but it honestly does an amazing job removing bulk. I have not had any problems whatsoever using this clipper for that. It also has a 5-position locking stretch lever, which pretty much what it means is that every time you move the lever, it locks into place. This is great, especially for beginners that are trying to learn how to fade and need to follow a system. Every time you put the lever when you need it to be, it will stay there. This is incredible. Also, the lever, and you can see it stretches, it opens up more than others, allowing for the clipper to cut longer length. This is great if you're trying to skip guard, you're trying to be more efficient. I have noticed that with this clipper, I'm actually more efficient and cut a little bit quicker because I can skip guards since the taper blade opens even more. It also has an improved all-metal housing, ergonomic finger rest. When you're cutting, you can grab it, you can hold it from here, you can put your fingers right there. It's extremely comfortable. It also has a removable hair pocket door. This is great because when you want to clean your clipper, all you do is remove this, clean it on the inside. You can see I've been using it, and then what you do is you put it back, it's magnetic, and it's secure in there. It also has the diamond texture rubber grip, and I love this. The reason is because this clipper is very round, how you guys can see. It's a round clipper, which is great for most people, the way you grab the clipper. But for me, sometimes when it didn't have the grip, it will make my hand hurt just because the way I have to grab it. So with the grip, I have no problems whatsoever. It actually fits great, especially with resting my finger here, and it's very secure in my hand. So I love the clippers that have this grip. And the last feature that I feel like a lot of people don't talk about is that for all of you guys that like to hang your clippers, it does have a hidden hook where you can grab it and hang your clipper from there if that's what you choose to do. Now we are going to be talking about the trimmer. This is the new trimmer. This is the green version. Here's the box. Now we are going to go through some of the specs of this trimmer. This trimmer also uses the same battery system, which is awesome. Just press here, remove this, tells you how much battery it has. Same battery for all the tools. It has a black DLC deep tooth T-blade, which is hypoallergenic. It has high strength and it has a lower blade temperature. This blade is one of my favorite blades. Being a deep tooth blade, it helps me a lot with removing a lot of bulk at the same time. Just because of the deep tooth, it can feed more hair into it, making it easier to remove bulk. Also because of the type of metal, it's excellent in my opinion for people with sensitive skin. It's zero gap exactly how it comes out of the box. I don't need to zero gap it more because again, I use this for a lot of people who have sensitive skin. Also I use it on the neck, on kids. So this is a great trimmer for that. It also has the N1 brushless motor, which is a dual bearing for more efficiency. It has 7,200 RPMs and 14,400 strokes per minute. and it has a long life motor. So this motor has been incredible. No complaints at all at the moment of making lines or removing bolt. It has been awesome. It has an all-improved all-metal housing with an ergonomic finger rest, which is right here, and this has been a game changer for me. It's so much easier to put your finger there and to then maneuver the trimmer the way you need it to, which has been awesome. It also has the removable hair pocket door, same as the clipper, so you remove it, you clean it, and then it magnetically you attach back. It also has the same grip that I was talking about before, making it so much more comfortable to hold, just because I can kind of keep it looser in my hand. I don't have to hold it so tight, and this has been a game changer as well. And the last thing, it also has the little hook in case that you like to hang your clippers, you can hang them as well. Okay, and last but not least, we are talking about the shaver. This is the new FxOne shaver. It also has the FxOne battery, so pop it here, it's right there. Put it back in there, following the arrows. Super easy. Honestly, it's a game changer system for me. It also has the N1 brushless motor, dual bearing for more efficiency, 10,000 RPMs, 20,000 strokes per minute. It has a protector cap that is a hard cap, and it's also magnetic to keep it in place, but when you remove it, it reveals the foils. It has two foils that are hypoallergenic, and they're black titanium foils, so you can see they look beautiful. I like them to be black better than the gold ones. It also has a double foil system that it has a locking mechanism. When you turn it around this way, you can move it where here is unlocked, so the head moves to the side, allowing it to be a little bit more ergonomic for when you are doing the neck area or areas where the hair kind of like curves, but also has a locking mechanism where you can lock it into place in the moment that you are using it to shape a fade or create the skin fade. It allows it for that as well. These new tools from Babyliss have been a game changer for me, not just here at the barbershop, but also when I do classes, when I do events, just because I don't have to take cables with me anymore. All I gotta do is take the batteries already charged, and that's all I need. For me, this is honestly the best collection on the market right now, just because of that feature. Besides all the improvements they have made on the previous versions, but also all the innovation that has been added to all these new tools. It's honestly incredible what Babyliss is doing for our industry. And this new colorway, that looks so nice. I've been getting so many compliments from clients. My favorite one is the blue one. The green ones are super nice as well, but honestly, the red one has been growing on me a lot. It just looks very, very nice. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you'd like to purchase these tools, and also any questions, please leave in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.